Hello guys, this is Gökhan from BFT Packaging. Today we are going to talk about the hot cold wet towels. The other name is the Oshibori, well-known name. Actually, there are two types of the hot cold wet towels. One is the folded version. The towel is folded inside like the regular wet wipes. And the second version is the roll version, which is Oshiboris are generally formed in that shape. About print options, there are up to 5 colors. Any print can be done. Your food pictures, your logo, slogan, website address, etc. Whatever you want. The front surface is available to print. The back surface is also, for example, in this version, here you can use for printing, here you can use for printing. The difference between the roll formats and the folded versions is the towel size. The folded versions are more economical solution. The towels are smaller than the roll ones. For example, this one is, I think this is 20 by 25 centimeters. This is a small version. Actually the towels are exactly the same. The fragrance is exactly the same as the roll and folded versions. As you see, this is the standard. This is the specific towel made from a specific tree. This is very durable. It's not elastic. It's very tough, and the fragrance is one type, which is perfume based, with very nice smelling. And this is the roll versions. Roll versions is comparably, as I said, bigger. My hands are wet, so it's not opening easily. Yeah. As you can see, the roll versions is pretty big compared to the folded versions like this. Maybe 40% folded versions has smaller towels, so the price also is more economical in the folded versions. The main difference between the regular wet wipes and the hot cold wet towels is the heat transaction. So these ones are in the summer, for example, you can keep these towels inside your refrigerator and serve it cold to your customers. And in the winter, there's a specific oven with splatted oven as well. It takes 100 pieces inside. This A++, almost no electricity is consuming, so 100 pieces in one oven like this. There are 2 drawers, so this heats the products. I don't know, you might not see it, but when you open these versions, the steam pops up. I don't know if you can see it. So this one keeps like 3 to 4 minutes. You pick from the oven and you serve it to your customers. So when you serve it, they are hot, so they're very fancy and fantastic. We also supply these ovens as well. So that's pretty much about it. If you have any questions, comments, please shoot below to the video, and I will try to answer as far as I can. Have a great day.